How to fix Snapchat filters not working. If you got a problem like this any day, do not worry as we have got the solution for this. First of all, go to settings on your device. After that, in the settings option, search apps. And after you find the option of apps, just go on it and go to the option of manage apps. And after that, in the search option, search Snapchat on it. And after you find Snapchat, just tap on it. Now you have to just scroll down and you have to go to the option of notifications. And when you go to the option of notifications, check whether all the notifications has been done on or not. You can also check it as shown here in the very screen. You have to turn on all the notifications. You have to turn on vibration. You have to turn on the floating notifications. You also have to go to the miscellaneous and you also have to see whether all the notifications have been turned on or not. And after you check all of this, you can now go to the other section by going back. After going back, you can go to storage and you can go to the option of clear cache. So this way, your problem has been solved. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.